Welcome back to Mindful Mentors 12, where we delve into innovative educational strategies. Today, we're exploring microlearning, a game-changing approach to education designed for our busy lives. In a world where our schedules are packed and attention spans are short, microlearning offers a fresh solution. It's all about delivering small, easily digestible pieces of information that you can learn at your own pace. Let's dive into the key benefits of microlearning and how it can revolutionize your educational journey. Flexibility and accessibility. Microlearning fits seamlessly into any schedule. Courses are accessible on multiple devices, allowing you to learn anywhere, anytime. Enhanced retention. Studies show that breaking information into smaller chunks improves understanding and memory retention over time. Increased engagement. With bite-sized lessons, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed, making the learning experience less stressful and more engaging. Immediate practical application. Quick lessons encourage you to immediately apply what you've learned, reinforcing knowledge through practice. Now that we've covered the why, let's talk about the how. Here's how you can integrate microlearning into your study routine. Identify your learning goals. Start by outlining what you want to achieve. This focus guides you in selecting relevant microlearning courses. Choose platforms wisely. There are plenty of microlearning platforms available. Look for ones that offer interactive content relevant to your field. Set a consistent schedule. Dedicate specific times in your day for microlearning. Consistency helps to establish a routine and boosts learning efficiency. Reflect and assess. After each microlearning session, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Periodic assessments can help reinforce knowledge. Microlearning is more than a trend. It's a powerful tool for lifelong learning. Embrace this method to stay ahead in your educational and professional journey. Ready to transform your learning habits? Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more educational insights. Like, comment, and share your micro-learning stories with us.